Ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri rwa thi WHO ruri no hoti wa gukinyaniria kioneki gia gwaka ceceni ya uthuthuria wa mirimu hamwe na ndawa thukuru-ini wa University ya Kenyatta thutha wa ndugamano iria ikoretwo ho gukinya muthia. Mugunda wa eka 30 niguo ruhonge ruru rugukorwo rukiamukira no heanitwo ni President William Ruto unyitaniri no urugamiriri wa thukuru uyu thengia no regani munene uria watungirio President Uhuru Kenyatta mwaka muhituku.
This provision leaves adequate land available for the future expansion of the university and this hospital. The MOU signed today provides a framework under which Kenya and WHO will collaborate in health, training, and rescue efforts during disaster and other emergencies.
President anireire hindi ya kuruguria macini ya kiriu ya kuheana motungata ma uthurimi no rigiti wa murimu wa cancer neo cyberknife thibitari-ini wa KU. Macini ino igikorwo iri ya keri gitaru-ini kia Africa thutha wa bururi wa Egypt.
Hopefully, with the delivery of these 3 machines, Kenyans will have to wait for hours. Hopefully, I am really hoping that that is the direction we want us to go.
That this machine, which costs about 255 million, be installed in this facility so that we can be analyzing the genetic makeup of cancer cells in a short time and inform and start targeted treatment before the disease spreads further.
Kuringana no urugamiriri wa thibitari uyu riu arwaru matiribataraga guthie nja wa bururi gwetha motungata ma radiation amu mari no hoti wa kwamukira urigiti thibitari-ini uyu na njira ya raithi.
They are also providing a collegiate training for medical doctors in surgery, in anesthesia.
Kuhitukira macini ino murwaru ndarabatara gukorwo agithinjwo niguo athurimo kana ari na murimu wa cancer, na kuri arwaru aria makoretwo makiamukira motungata maribataraga matina matano tu ma radiation ithenya-ini ria matina 29.
One of the facilities for wellness, and we could not compare this facility with the one we visited in India. This is truly a world-class facilities.
Hamwe noguo President nieraneirie ati mihango ya waki wa wadi ya ciana undu umwe na wadi ya urigiti wa cancer ya nyondo ni ugukorwo ukirikirira thibitari-ini uyu, kuria ningi augite ihinda-ini ria mieri 3 yukite thibitari wa KU, thibitari wa Nakuru, Garissa hamwe na Moi Teaching and Referral ni igukorwo ikiamukira macini cia radiotherapy, undu uria augite ni ugukorwo ukinyihia muhatikano wa arwaru aria makoretwo magietha motungata.
These people waiting for radiotherapy are already sick, and as they wait, the disease is continuing to spread.
Riri ni ikinya inene ritacukitio hari urigiti wa murimu wa cancer, undu uria ukuhuthiria andu murigo na thabari ndaya cia guthie nja wa bururi gwetha motungata ma urigiti. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.